This video explains the tutorial on Wi-Fi wireless connection between CINENORM series monitors and Sony FX6 cameras. This tutorial is applicable to monitors of models BM5 for WR and BM7 to DS. First, set up the camera. Press and hold menu to open the menu. Select Network. Select Setup for mobile apps. Select Setup. Select OK. After waiting for the setup to be completed, the verification user and password will be displayed. View and note down the user and password for subsequent verification operations. Select OK. Return to the network menu. Select Wireless LAN. Change settings to Access Point Mode. Select AP Mode settings and select SSID and password. View and note down the camera's SSID and password for subsequent connection operations. Next, start the operation of connecting the monitor. Click on the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Click on the external device. Click on Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. In the Add New Device on the right, select the device. Enter the SSID password of the local device correctly. Click OK. You need to continue to enter the verification user and password. Enter the verification user and password correctly. Click OK to connect successfully. When you open the monitor again and connect the camera via Wi-Fi, you don't need to enter the password again. You can find the device to be connected in the column of My Device and click to connect to successfully connect. In the camera control panel, click Record to start or stop camera recording. Click on Iris to adjust the aperture size. Click on Shutter to adjust the shutter angle. Click ISO to adjust the ISO size. The prerequisite is to adjust the brightness gain mode to ISO. Here are the adjustment steps. Press and hold menu to open the menu. Select Shooting. Select ISO again EI and change mode to ISO to complete the adjustment. Click FOCI to turn on touch focusing, and then you can perform touch focusing. Click Zoom to freely change the focal length. The prerequisite is that an electric zoom lens is installed on the camera, or change the zoom mode to clear image scaling to enable this function. The following are the adjustment steps. Press and hold menu to open the menu. Select Technical, select Zoom, and change the zoom type to on Clear Image Zoom to complete the adjustment. Click on CT to adjust the picture color temperature. Click on ND to adjust the neutral density gear. Click on FN can open the corresponding F1 to F8 shortcut function on the camera. This is the introduction to the Wi-Fi wireless connection tutorial between the CINENORM series monitor and the Sony FX6 camera.